So what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect backlighting for your TV for a super inexpensive price and very easy to set up. Hey there, and before we begin this video, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech. In this channel, I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit that bell to receive notifications on my future videos. And let's get right to the video now. Alright, so all we're going to need are these LED lights right here. I'm going to have a link down below in the description where you can get them, and they're super easy to install. So once you get the package, it's going to bring a couple different things. You're going to receive this connector right here. You're going to receive the LED strips. So there should be 4 long LED strips. You're going to receive a remote control so that you can control the colors of the LED lights, turning them on, turning them off, as well as changing how the LED lights are shown. So you can decide to show them where they're just showing stable or where they are blinking on and off at different speeds. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to install them properly. All right, so first off, remove the LED strips from this plastic wheel that they come in. So it's gonna have some tape here. I'm just removing the tape. All right, and we can remove the LED strips. So like I said, you should receive about 4 strips. So what we're gonna do is these LED strips have a adhesive here on the back, which you will peel this off. There you go. It might be a little bit hard at first, but you're gonna need to remove this blue plastic, okay? And this white strip is an adhesive. So all we're gonna do is pretty self-explanatory. We're just gonna stick these strips to the back of the TV. So we're gonna do one on each corner, one on this side, one on this side, one on the top, and one on the other side. And then we're just gonna connect them all. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that now. All right, so first thing you're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna locate the USB port on your TV. If your TV is not installed yet, it will be easier to install the LED lights on the ground. But if your TV is already mounted on a wall like mine is, you can still install it. You just got to be more careful. My USB port is right here. So we're going to go ahead and grab this little box right here that will come in your package and this cable which will connect to the box. So first thing we're going to do is connect the USB cable that you are provided with. There you go. Once it's connected, we're going to connect the end of the cable, which is going to look like this, to this output box, which will connect to all of the LED cables. So we're going to connect this right here. And then now next step is we're going to stick all of the LED strips onto the back of the TV. So let's start off with this one. I'm going to go ahead and place it right here. I'm going to try and get it to the middle of the TV. All right, so I'm just going to place it right here like this. And then we're just going to give it some pressure so that it glues down onto the TV. There you go. So let's do that same thing with the rest of the LED strips. All right, so let's go ahead and place this one on this side now. Let's go ahead and do the top one now. And let's do the bottom one now. And then next up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these cables that come in the package, and these are gonna help us connect this box to the cables. So let me show you how we're gonna do it now. All right, so let's move the TV this way once again. How this is going to work is from this box is going to stem out 3 cables, but 2 of these cables are going to be very similar, which are these 2 right here. One of these is going to go connected right here like this. So we're going to connect it to the end of the strip right here like this. Okay, there you go. All right, so we're going to connect this side as well. There you go. And then let's go ahead and stick it back on. All right, so now that the cables are connected to the box here, now we're going to go ahead and use these 2 cables to connect from this side right here to that one right there, and on the other side of the TV as well. All right, so once it's fully connected, it should look like this. The USB cable should be plugged into the USB port on your TV. The cable is going to go down to the box, which distributes the electricity. As you can see, there's one cable coming this way, which connects to this LED strip, and the other cable goes to this one and connects to this LED strip. This third cable that you see down here is going to be just for the antenna for the remote control. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be connected to the LED strip, and then the LED strips will be connected with the other cables that come included to connect to the other LED strips. And as you can see on that side over there, it's also connected with the cable to the final LED strip going down on the other side. All right, so these LED lights, they're gonna be linked down below in the description. They're super easy to install. They come with many different colors, and it comes with this controller, so you can control and change the colors or even the way the colors change, all by the controller. And it's super simple. You can make the lights flash, you can make it like a strobe light, you can make the lights fade in and out, or you can make them change super smooth by just selecting the different options here on the controller. It will change the animation effects of the lighting. And you can also just change the colors just by pressing on the different color buttons that you see on the controller. It works super good. As soon as you turn your TV on, the lights will turn on, and as soon as you power your TV off, the lights will power off. It's easy as that. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these TV LED lights. So go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching until this point. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace.